Hello everyone, this is Pragya Shah and today we are back with a book review, and today we are going to review a very important book for the entrance examinations. This is for the numerical aptitude test NAT, and you have guessed it right, I am talking about MRINAL SRESHTHA's book. So I have two editions of MRINAL SRESHTHA's book. This is the old one and this is the new one. So I'll be reviewing both of them. There is some additional chapters in the new edition of the book. So I'll just give an introduction to the numerical type questions that come those come in the examinations. So all the papers, okay, be it general geology, geodynamics, geomorphology, mineralogy, descriptive mineralogy, crystallography, optical mineralogy, geochemistry, then we have structural geology, igneous petrology, metamorphic petrology, sedimentology, paleontology, economic geology, and hydrogeology, remote sensing, engineering geology. So every paper has got numerical questions, and there can be numerical questions from each of these sections. So for that we need to study the text, study the concepts and the formulas. All the formulas, wherever you get formulas, write them down, and wherever you get numbers, anything that has to do with numbers, it is very weird, but even sometimes maybe we are, this is an example, okay, I don't think anyone will ask this type of a stupid question, an irrelevant question, but still this is a number and you have to be remembering these things. 1755 Kant did the nebular hypothesis. In 1796 Laplace did the nebular hypothesis. The difference between 1796 and 1755, it comes to us 41, right? 41 years. There is a gap of 41 years. Now you can be very smart, like, you know, they will be correlating these type of things with some other age maybe. Okay, so a theoretical question, you have to think and then correlating it with some other part of the question. So very, you know, it is, creativity has got no boundaries. But today we are going to be talking about MRINAL SRESHTHA's book, and MRINAL SRESHTHA has done a great job, has tried to solve the problems of the students and the professors as well. Okay, because a book was extremely important to, you know, get ourselves introduced to how to find the numerical aptitude questions, and how the questions, which type of questions can be framed, especially when we come to the examinations like GATE comes with a lot of numerical type questions. So you have to have a skill on the numerical type questions. So I'll be going through the contents of the book, and then I'll tell about the positive portions and the negative portions of the book. Negative paper. Quantitative geology. So we have geographic coordinate system, map projections and time. structural geology, geodynamics, remote sensing, hydrogeology, isotope geology, isotope geochemistry, mole concepts and chemical reactions, melting and crystallization of rocks, states of matter, thermodynamics, oxidation potential and EHPH, geomorphology, sedimentology and sequence stratigraphy, engineering geology, crystal chemistry, mineralogy, ore geology, petroleum geology, coal geology. In applied geophysics, we have seismology, gravitation, electricity, magnetism, electromagnetism, well logging. Okay. Then there are some old papers, there are practice problems, and then there is general aptitude. So in general aptitude, you have the formulas for the algebra, profit and loss, time and work, distance, time, speed, geometry, area, volume and surface area, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, probability, permutation, combination, calculus. So that's it. That's it about MRINAL SRESHTHA's contents. So the positive things about the book. First, it is a great initiative to write this book down, to compile all the data and write and start. This is a very, very good start. The another point is it's written in a very the focus on the solved problems is very good. It's very nice. And especially in the previous book, there were only solved problems, no unsolved problems. And in the new book, we have got unsolved problems as well. So this was one of the problems for the old book, that this old book didn't have the unsolved problems, but in new book we have got unsolved problems, so that you can now check your understanding, your aptitude. Okay. The problem with both of these books is it has got way more to go. There is so many numericals that could have been formed which are still missing. And people have to find out those numericals and solve them, practice them to get an aptitude. This is a good book for starting, but there are way more numericals which are not mentioned in MRINAL SRESHTHA, which is a very bad thing. If this would have been a little better, if there would have been, as a starting, this is a very good book, but not the best book for numericals. So for numericals, you need to have a lot of thick book. I would not be amazed if numericals for this was for JEE mains and advanced previous year question chemistry. This is a very thick book. I have this book right here with me. This is a very thick book, and the numerical questions of geology can be double or triple the size of this book. This much amount of numerical questions can be there. So I definitely think that there can be a lot more work that needs to be done. And that's it. But it is a great start though for numerical aptitude and finding out the numerical aptitude questions. If you want to find out more numerical aptitude questions, please ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT is always there for your help. And that's it then. See you in the next video. Ta-ta.